This is a fit for a 2014 through 2020 Nissan Rogue with a bare roof. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Yakima, BaseLine, JetStream base roof rack system. The system is using the JetStream load bars in black, 50 inches in length, the BaseLine towers, and the vehicle-specific BaseLine pad and clip set. This is the BC 179 on the front position. The bars are in a predetermined fixed location, 32 inches from front to rear, center to center. The BC pad and clip set for the rear position is BC 203. The maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof when equipped. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.